how to use Shop app. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can use the Shop app. The Shop app is a convenient way to explore products, discover new brands, and manage your shopping preferences. And here you have to make the most effective use of it. The first step is to ensure that you have the Shop app installed on your device, just like I have mine installed here, and then just go ahead and click on the app in order to launch the app. Then after launching the app, if you don't have an account, you'll be asked to create an account. So ensure you do that. Now after creating an account, on the shop app, you would see favorite at the top part of the screen and then following. And then you can use the shop app to browse stores and products. All right, different stores and products that you love, and you can add these items that you browse out to your favorite or to your following list. Now, for example, now if I want to get let's say denim wears, I can just type out denim wears and then click on the search icon. And then the stores that are provide this would be made available. And I can just go ahead to select the one I want and then add them to my following or to my favorite. So add to my favorite, all I need to do is to click on the add icon on the particular wear or the particular product that I love. And then after adding it, just like that, it will be added to my favorite. Now to add them to my following or to the one that I would love to purchase, all I need to do is to select the wear, the product, the item, and then after selecting it, you'll be taken to the page where you see details about the product. All right, and then you can now scroll down, and then I can now select the size I want and everything, and I can decide to add to cart or I can decide to buy now. So using the shop app, I can use it to add product to cart. I can use it to buy different kind of product all over the world. For example, this particular product was crafted in Italy and then to be delivered to my doorstep. And also through the shopping app, you can also check the refund policy and the shipping policy of products to avoid disappointment. And then you can also send messages to the store owner directly using the shop app as well. You can see how cool it is. In case you have any questions, you can just click on message the name of the person, and then you'll be taken to the person's to a direct message. All right, and then you can now go ahead and type whatever message that you want to the person. All right, now this is one of the major use of the shop app. Another thing that you can do is that you can track your orders using the shop app. Okay, another thing you can do is to track your orders, like I said earlier. And to do that, you can just move to the lowest part of the screen where you can see 5 icons: the home icon, the notifications icon, the cart icon, where you would see all of the items that you've added to your cart. Then your orders icon, here you will see all of your orders here. And through the shop app, you can also track your orders. You can edit or manage your orders as needed. And also, you can also connect your Amazon account to your shop account for seamless shopping by clicking on connect account. And there, as you can see, you can connect your Gmail, you can connect your Outlook, or even your Amazon. So this is basically how you can make use of the shop app. Ensure you explore it as much as you can. Thanks for watching and have a good day.